Welcome the our channel. Today we how to log into ETF.com easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.etf.com and press enter. Wait for the ETF.com homepage to load completely. Locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username into the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Before you proceed, check the Remember Me box if you want your login details saved on this device. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button. If your information is correct, you will be taken to your account dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password through your email. Once logged in, navigate through your dashboard to access various features. That's it. You are now logged into your ETF.com account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.